Okay, so welcome back to my next Game On collection unboxing. So let's open up and see what's inside. Again, shout out, I love this packaging, it's so cute. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, ribbon off. Shout out to my Nai, she always ties them the best, but I can never get the knots out. Again, it comes with this cute packaging for this collection. I love this, it's so cute. Taking the rest of the ribbon off, doing it as quick as I can. All right, now inside we have one. Again, I've got to get the tissue paper off, sorry. So I don't want to rip the tissue paper, so I'm going to be cheeky and do it from the side. And we have in here one of the kirigamis. I love the kirigamis. I just love them. I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside them. All right, so the fun part about the kirigamis is opening them up. It's like a Russian doll, or if you will. So we've got this, it's got the black lining here. It's got the Louis Vuitton Made in France stamp. Now we've got the white one, so cute. I just love this Game On collection pattern. I think it's adorable. Let me show you like a close-up of it so you can see. So we're going to open this one up again. It's got the black lining inside, Louis Vuitton Made in France. And then we've got the final one, which is another black. It's super cute, this one. We've got the Louis Vuitton paper, whatever that thing's called inside, I never know. And here's the back of it. So why I'm such a fan of the Kirigami set is for many reasons, but I'm actually a bit of a tech head and I love me some Apple. I've been an Apple person from way back in the day. So these fit my Apple products perfectly. So I've got my mini iPad in here, which you can see fits so simply. Press the button, in it is. You can even put more stuff in, it's awesome. All right, so this middle pouch is also a really good size in my opinion. Now in this, I'll tend to put my iPhone, and I just want to shout out my new iPhone 12. This phone is amazing. The camera quality, how it takes videos, how it just works in general is so cool. I'll actually have an iPhone 12 video coming up, so watch out for that soon up on my YouTube. Anyway, this is what I'll put in this middle Kirigami pouch. Slides in so perfectly and easily. Done. And then we've got the cute little baby one. Now on this, you can fit, you know, whatever you want in regards to either tech. You can put AirPod Pros, they'll all fit. There we go, like that. Or I do tend to sometimes use them for my spare cards. You know, this will fit at least, I've got about 5 or 6 cards here, but you can see it fits quite a lot of cards in these as well. And cash. So I love this whole set. So as you can see, it comes with the gold color hardware and all of them have the press stud closure. They close really easily and really well. This has got an iPad in it, feels really secure, and it's, you know, I just love them. So if you're thinking of getting this set, I do recommend the Kirigamis. If I had to have a small gripe, and it's only small, I just wish one of these two was maybe in a red, you know, so we would have had a black, a white and a red. But anyway, I still love this black print. It is so pretty. So I'm really happy with this set. Okay, so let me go in for some tight shots for you guys so you can see it up close. The stitching is on point. I just love this design. I think it really pops in the black. In real life, it looks so stunning. Here's the back, so you can tell what it looks like. Here's the middle size one in the white. The white is so pretty too. So I'll just turn that over so you can see the back. Now I just wanted to also put it against my very old but very loved multicolored Speedy, so you guys could sort of see the difference in the patterns. I just think it's so cute. I've loved this Speedy for years and years and years, and could never let it go. So here's the Game On print compared to the multicolor. So cute. They actually go perfectly. Okay, and here's the baby of the bunch, the baby Kirigami, up close. So sweet. And here's the back. So it's a quick one today, but I just wanted to get it up because I know a lot of you wanted to see this new Game On collection, and a lot of you have told me on my Instagram it's not releasing in the States till I think November the 6th. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below or hit me up on Instagram in my DMs. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and stay tuned because I'll have one more unboxing from this collection coming soon. Bye guys.